You know, like I said, a lot of people don't rock spinners anymore. You barely even see floaters anymore, you know. And I just wanted to be different, and if I can throw these spinners on this car, I will, you know what I'm saying? I would do that. Now this one is only 4 spokes, but they are big spokes, you know what I'm saying? So this is the other one. It kind of got like that rock star feel, you know what I'm saying? But these are the 2 spinners side by side compared. This is the back of this one. And if I can't use neither one of them, then you feel me, I'm just SOL. I'm not gonna rock out with no spinners. And the plates are bigger. So let me see if I can get y'all a better angle. So that's kind of what this one will look like on there. And then it's what this one will look like on there. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, and this video we ain't gonna be working on the cars. I'm finna, like I said, like I told you on the last few videos, I wanted to take a little break from working on the cars, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be a long break. It's gonna be about a week of a break, because you feel me, I've been doing a lot. I've been recording a lot of videos, you know what I'm saying? And I just feel like I'm getting a little burned out, you know what I'm saying? So this video is going to be specifically about spinners, you know what I'm saying? You don't see spinners on cars at all in today's age, you know what I'm saying? And if you do see a set of spinners, it's on like a JDM type car, you know what I'm saying? Some car that's really lowered all the way to the ground with a crazy camber, and they have like spinners on it, but it'd be like some 18s, 17s, you feel me? But you don't see spinners. You don't see people rocking spinners anymore, you feel me, on just like I could say hood classic cars, you know what I'm saying? Hood cars, you feel me? You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I got 2 sets of spinners I want to show you guys, get y'all opinions on them, and y'all could tell me how they work, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how spinners work. All I know is, you feel me, some of them go with certain wheels, and I think some of them can be universal maybe, you know what I'm saying? I honestly, I don't know. That's why I want to come to y'all. So I got these 2 sets of spinners. I didn't have to pay for them. My dad didn't have them for a while, you know what I'm saying? And I asked him about them because I remember them from when I was a kid, you know? And he was like, yeah, you can take them, and if you want to use them, you can use them. It's up to you. So he gave them to me, and like I said, I wanted to make a video on it, get y'all opinions, see what y'all think. And because I always like to do stuff that's different. I don't like to follow everybody else's trend, you know? Like I said, a lot of people don't rock spinners anymore. You barely even see floaters anymore, you know? And I just wanted to be different, and if I can throw these spinners on this car, I will, you know what I'm saying? I would do that this summer and rock them for this summer, and then take the spinners back off and put my center cap back on, you feel me? But yeah, man, I just want to do something different with this car, you feel me? I feel like it's been the same for a couple years now, and I just feel like adding spinners would be like a small little touch of me changing up this car a little bit, you feel me? I do want to end up getting a different set of wheels, but I want to go 24s on this car, and I also want to repaint this car, but instead of leaving it matte, I want to do it a gloss red. And I want to change my front bumper, rear bumper, you feel me? Put the SRT bumpers on, even though it's a V6. I do want to later on either scat swap this or Hellcat swap this, and I done found a couple motors, but some of them be stolen motors, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to just, what I want to do is find me a wrecked one, you feel me, where the motor and stuff ain't bad, you feel me, and I can still pull it out and then throw it in here and do a swap like that. But I'm gonna keep running this V6 motor because, for one, this is my daily, and I don't want to have to spend numerous hundreds and hundreds of dollars on gas messing with that scat pack and that Hellcat motor, you know? I know them motors, they drain a lot of gas, and I know the gas will be high with them motors, so I'm gonna keep rocking my V6 until it go out on me. But like I said, I wanted to just do something a little different, you know, for the time being, until I'm able to motor swap this car. Then when I motor swap it, I'm gonna do the front bumper change, rear bumper change. I'm gonna try to add some side skirts, change the exhaust up, you know. But until then, like I said, I just want to do something real subtle, and these spinners can be it, you know. So I want to go ahead and show y'all these spinners real quick. You feel me? This gonna be probably the only video I record for today. And yeah, get y'all opinion on these spinners. Now, I don't have all 4 of both sets, but we do have them. You know what I'm saying? All I gotta do is go get them. But I didn't feel like going and get them all out when I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to use them for 1 or if I'm gonna even use them for 2. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I just want to get y'all opinion on it, see what y'all think. And if y'all think I should rock out with either or of the spinners, then I will go and get the rest of them and we'll mount them up, you feel me, this summer. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you new, turn that post notification bell to all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And comment down below what y'all think and what y'all think I should do, you feel me? Everybody have their own opinions. I know some people would probably be like they don't like spinners, but like I said, I just want to do something different. I don't like following everybody else's trend, and I feel like these wheels, they're not plain, but the spinners will definitely add something to them. And you feel me, they'll spin, you know. I've always loved spinners, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, like I said, I just want y'all opinion on it. So let me go ahead and get out the car because it is hot in this car, burning hot, and I ain't got the AC on, I ain't got my AC fixed, none of that, you know what I'm saying? So that's one of the main things I gotta get done this summer is get me a new AC compressor and then go out from there. So yeah, let me get out the car, show y'all the spinners to get y'all opinions, and we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all, outside of the car now, and man, when I tell y'all I'm not ready for this hot summer, but y'all know we got to keep going and keep moving and keep pushing forward with these cars. But for the first set of spinners, this is what they look like. Nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I said, nothing crazy. 6-spoke, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-spoke, and you know what I'm saying? They spin. I don't know. Spinners is always, I've always really liked the spinners, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, if they're universal, I can show y'all the back. For one, I don't even know how to put these on, so I would have to get my dad to even help me put these on, or y'all will tell me or something, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how to work spinners. I've never dealt with spinners before, you know what I'm saying? And we can clean all this up. I ain't worried about none of this. Like I said, they just been sitting in storage, and my dad found them and he told me about them. I was like, yeah, I'll take them if I can put them on the car. So yeah, like I said, I don't know how spinners work. I don't know what you're supposed to do to put these on. I really don't. But like I said, these are all my 22s, and the center cap and everything come off. Y'all know, screw. And the only thing I was worried about if they do go on is if they hit these little diamonds on the wheels. You know what I'm saying? If they hit them. So yeah, the wheels need to be repainted anyways. When I got them, they had all of this on there. But the wheels not pitting. These wheels are really good wheels, you know. So I've been rocking these wheels for like 5 years, 4 years, 5 years, somewhere around there, you know what I'm saying? And y'all know we just put brand new tires on them a couple months ago. All 4 brand new tires. But like I said, man, if I can rock these spinners, and these things are heavy too, if I can rock these spinners on here, bro, that'll look good, man. I'm telling y'all, that'll look good. And then they spinning too and then I can get out and just, you feel me, when I want to get out, if I'm parked or something, and just spin the wheel, you know what I'm saying? And they'll just float and spin while I'm going either in the store or just sitting at the crib watching them spin, you feel me? It'll be hard. But yeah, man, if I can put these on this car, I definitely will. I'll do it for this summer, you feel me? Like I said, just to do something different, because you don't see this stuff too much anymore. You don't see spinners anymore. You barely even see floaters, you feel me? Most people just going with a brushed wheel or a paint matched wheel, you feel me? A custom set of wheels, but you don't see floaters and you don't see spinners anymore. And if I can rock this spinner on this car, I definitely want to, you feel me? Plus I think because it got like a curve right here, y'all see it, it might miss the diamonds. But like I said, for one, I don't even know how to put these on the car, so that'll be something I'm gonna have to see. Probably even look up a video on how to put them on. But like I said, if these are universal spinners, then I will definitely throw these on the car this summer. Now this is one of them, and like I said, we got 2 different sets of spinners. Trying to make sure I don't scratch up my paint, even though the car needs to be repainted. So that's one of them. And this other one, it is kind of pitted a little bit, but I don't care, you know what I'm saying? Now this one is only 4 spokes, but they are big spokes, you know what I'm saying? So this is the other one. It kind of got like that rock star feel, you know what I'm saying? That heavy metal type of logo type of spinner, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to figure out the right word to say. I don't know, y'all will get it though. It's like, I don't know, it's an image in my head and I just can't spit it out, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, I know some of y'all be getting that type of feeling. But these are the 2 spinners side by side compared. This is the back of this one. And if I can't use neither one of them, then you feel me, I'm just SOL. I'm not gonna rock out with no spinners. I probably can find a set of universal spinners to order, and it probably wouldn't be no more than like $100, $200. But I don't want to spend more money when I still need to get my AC compressor. I still need to get that carport for the cutlass, and I need to get the window weather stripping. Y'all know, like we replaced on the box Chevy, they go there. Still need to get that for the cutlass, which is $100. So I still got a couple $100 I got to spend. That carport tent is about $300. The weather stripping is $100. The AC compressor is almost $200. So I still got money to spend. So I'm not gonna spend money on some spinners when it could wait, you feel me? So like I said, I need y'all opinion on these though. These are the 2 that we have to choose from for now, and if these don't work, then I will have to figure out to order a set or something, you know, and which will be later on after I get all this other stuff. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, which ones y'all think would be better, and if I can rock them, y'all let me know that in the comments as well. But I definitely want y'all opinion. I don't think I like this one on there. I mean, it fill up more of the wheel when this one got more gaps, you know what I'm saying? This one got less, just 4 gaps, and the plates are bigger. So let me see if I can get y'all a better angle. So that's kind of what this one will look like on there, and then it's what this one will look like on there. I like this one better, not gonna lie to y'all. I definitely like this one better. And yeah, I'm gonna take me a picture of it, just like I had y'all on the camera. I'm gonna have my phone just like that and take a picture as well. But like I said, man, y'all let me know y'all opinions. I like this one a lot better with this wheel, you know. If I had a different wheel, maybe I'll like this one better, but I definitely like that one better, and it's more subtle, you feel me? This one look a little bit more crazy. But yeah, I have 3 of these here. We gotta go get the other one, which is still in my dad's shop, and the other 3 of these are also at my dad's shop. So yeah, like I said, here go the other 2 of that one. But I don't have all 4 of neither one set with me, but we do have all 4 of both sets, you know. I just gotta go get them. So like I said, y'all let me know y'all opinion, which one y'all like better, and if I can rock them, y'all let me know that as well. One more time, this is the back of that one, and this is the back of this one. And like I said, I don't even know how to put these on. My dad said he know how to put them on, so if I can put them on, I'm gonna let him. Well, I ain't even gonna let him do it. I want to do it myself because I want to do it for a video, you know what I'm saying? So I'll just tell him to tell me, or y'all can tell me how to put it on, or if I probably can find a video as well online. But yeah, man, I want to do something different with this car, you know. If y'all are new to my channel, this is my 2006 Dodge Charger. I bought this car wrecked and rebuilt the entire car. Rebuilt the entire car. This is my second set of 22s. I had a black set on here at first, so the car was red and black. I changed out the grill, put new headlights, the whole headlight housing, and changed the bulbs. I repainted the whole car. I did the paint myself on this car, and I didn't have a clear coat, so we just left it matte, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, if y'all are new to the channel, this is my 06 Charger, so V6. I put a brand new transmission in it, and I'm slowly waiting to either scat or Hellcat swap this car. But yeah, man, I've been having this car since I was in high school, and I bought this car myself. I didn't have a job, but I needed a car, you know what I'm saying, to get to and from where I needed to get from. And I found this car on OfferUp, Bought it, had a salvage title, had to rebuild the entire car, go get it inspected, get a new title and everything. So yeah, the car is good to go. And I've been, like I said, I've been having this car since I was in high school. Since I turned 16, literally a month after I turned 16, I went and bought this car. You feel me? So yeah, and I rebuilt this car by myself. Well, I can't say that because it was in shops, because at the time I didn't know what I was doing, but now I know a little bit more. But yeah, man, the spinners, y'all, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, which ones y'all would pick, and if I can put them on, let me know that as well. But I'm finna get ready to put these up now. I'm not gonna put them in my charger because my charger's already packed. Y'all can see a box there. Still need to get all that stuff out. But yeah, man, it's a lot to come with this car that I still want to do, and one of them is the spinner. So y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all like the spinners. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. And like I was telling y'all, man, my dad had them spinners since I was a little kid. You feel me? Probably before, since I was born. One of those sets he did have on his square body Suburban, on his 23-inch wheels that he had on his Suburban. But before I was born, he took them off. All I remember was a few pictures that he showed me. He had them on there, but he ended up taking them off before when I was born. You feel me? And like I said, being able to reuse the stuff that my dad was using before I was born and when I was born, when he was heavy in the cars, I love it, man. It's like a sentimental value. You feel me? Like, even like with the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? My dad, he done had that car since way before I was born, and he built it way before I was born, customized it and everything. And that was one of the cars my mom and my dad used to take trips in all the time. You feel me? Like, just go everywhere in that car. So that's one reason why, you feel me, I know a lot of people be like, that car is trash and all that stuff, get rid of it. I could never get rid of that car. That's just one car I could never get. I'd get rid of my box Chevy before I get rid of that Cutlass. You know what I'm saying? And my box Chevy, that's my dream car, but it's more, that Cutlass is more sentimental than that box Chevy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I bought that box Chevy myself with my money that I earned without working a job, but that Cutlass is more sentimental than my box Chevy ever will be. You know what I'm saying? And that box Chevy was my first old school that I ever bought, and my first old school that I ever owned. So that's one reason why I'm rebuilding that Cutlass, you know, just so y'all really know. It's more than just an old school car to me, you know. I never got to ride in that car with my mom and dad together, you know, but I get to rebuild it and show both of them that car when I'm finished. You know what I'm saying? I've been showing my mom updates while I've been repainting it, and my dad been coming to see it. He even drove it, you feel me, right after I got the tags and titles for it. I took it for him to drive, and he just lit up with a big smile. You know what I'm saying? And that's the whole point of me redoing these cars, you know. So once I'm able to get his box Chevy, I want his box Chevy so bad. His box Chevy is the reason why I got into box Chevys, and he still got this last one. So I want to take that box Chevy and his square body Suburban, which is black and blue. Both of them fully custom interior, both of them on wheels, and both of them was motor swapped. And yeah, like I said, he told me I can take them, but I have to have my own crib. So that is one thing I'm really working towards, to try to get my own house so I can be able to take those cars, you know, and just add to them, not take nothing away from them, add to them, you know. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the spinners, and if they're work, in the comments down below. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, I just want to do something different with this car, you know what I'm saying? Have something different going on, and I'm starting to sweat, so I'm trying to hurry this up. But make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.